A 30mm cannon and infrared sensor were removed from the J-16D so that the aircraft could be equipped with electromagnetic sensors. Military analysts said such sensors disrupt and jam enemy electronic systems like radar. The United States is the only other country to have developed electronic warfare aircraft. The JL-10 features advanced technologies and closely resembles a genuine fighter jet. It was first seen publicly during the National Day military parade in 2019. Airshow visitors will be able to see the JL-10 give a demonstration flight. 20 pilots from China's Red Falcon Air demonstration team arrived at the exhibition center in 10 JL-8 trainer jets earlier this week. They will perform with Bayi Aerobatics team during the airshow. 张悦，上海 Life。